Okay, today's video is a little bit different. Today is about how to save money with Advanced Auto Parts online. Even if you're going to walk into the store, always advise going online and ordering because you can always get a discount. So go to their website, advancedautoparts.com. Let's say that it's a Saturday morning and you're going to go in and you just decided you're going to do new brakes on your truck. Say you got a 2015 Tacoma. Always plug in the vehicle you're looking for. And let's just say we're looking for brakes. You'll see up here, there's always this banner right here. Every time it's 15% online only. Sometimes it's 10, sometimes it's 20, but this banner is always here. I've also seen it up to like 25%, but that's pretty rare. So let's say you're gonna grab the gold ceramic for the front. There's also other options. Let's say it's a Tuesday or earlier in the week, and you're gonna do this project over the weekend, but you don't want to actually make a trip. You can do free delivery right here for over 35 bucks. It's pretty convenient. Or what I'm talking about here is you can do the store pickup because it's always ready within 30 minutes, sometimes less than that. You can just put this in online and go get it. So say we're going to pick it up at the store in Jacksonville, add it to the cart, use that code DEC2 right up here at the top. Okay, so now here we are in the cart. We got our brake pads. Use that code right there, DEC2. Apply it, and you're immediately going to save money. The price when you go in the store is going to be that original $63, but you can save 10 bucks online. And, in this amount of time, it's all it takes to go and get your parts together. Then you don't have to waste time at the store. You just go in and you pick it up. It'll be there waiting on you, and you save money every time. I've never seen this banner missing at the top. It's always here. There's always a code to do it online. I've even driven to Advanced Auto Parts and sat in the parking lot and put this in on my phone, waited for a few minutes, and then gone inside just to get the discount. 15% off. It's worth it. If you're using the app, you're going to find it under Bundles, Guidance, and Deals, and just scroll to Coupons and Deals, and that same code right here is always there. And it changes every week or two, but it's always going to be for 15%. So hopefully this saves you some money. I wouldn't say that Advanced Auto Parts is the cheapest way to go, or any parts store for that matter, but if you're picking stuff up same day, this is a way to get you a little bit of extra savings.